Okay, so good morning everyone. My name is Rino Thomas. So this is a fourth experiment developing a prompt serialization tool for dynamic template generation. Okay, so this Python program is a tkinter-based application called Prompt Creator, designed to simulate how prompt templates are created, saved, loaded, and executed, similar to how AI systems like ChatGPT or Gemini use text templates for generating response. It also includes a small offline antonym dictionary to demonstrate how dynamic text substitution can work inside prompt templates. This program starts by importing tkinter for GUI creation, message box for alerts, file dialog for file selection dialogs, and JSON for saving and loading prompt templates in JSON format. Then a small dictionary named antonym is defined, which contains some simple word pairs, for example, happy, sad, hot, cold, up, down, and so on. This dictionary is used later to simulate the AI's response generation. The main application window is created using root tk dot tk of prompt creator, and several labels, text box, and buttons are arranged vertically using tkinter's stacks of layout. This interface contains four input areas: prompt name, where the user gives a name to the prompt, for example, antonym finder; prompt template, a text area where the user defines the structure of the prompt. It must include a placeholder of input of which will later be replaced by user input. Input value, a box where the user enters a specific word or text to run through the prompt. Uh, Next is the output box where the generator response is displayed. Next, there's three function handle the main operation of the app, that is save underscore prompt, load underscore prompt, and run underscore prompt. So if we see them one by one, uh, save underscore prompt. This function allows user to save a custom prompt template as a JSON file. It collects the prompt name and template text, checks if both are filled, and then creates a dictionary with that information. It writes the dictionary into a .json file using the prompt name. After saving, a success message appears confirming file was saved. Next is a load underscore prompt. Here, function helps users retrieve previously saved prompt templates. When clicked, it opens a file dialog where users can select any JSON file. The function then loads the file, reads the saved data, and fills the prompt name and the prompt template field automatically. The message box confirms the template has been successfully loaded. Next, the run underscore prompt of function. This is the most interactive part of the program. It retrieves the entered text in the input box and current prompt template. The user forgets to include of input in the template. The program gives a warning reminding them to include it. The function then replaces input in the template with the actual user input. After that, it looks up the input word in the antonym dictionary. If the input exists in the dictionary, it retrieves its antonym. If not, it displays antonym not found. If the prompt template includes the word antonym, the antonym is automatically appended to the output. Finally, the generated text is displayed in the output box under the heading generator output. The three buttons save prompt, load prompt, and run prompt are added to perform these actions, each with its own emoji icon for better visual appeal. At the end, root.mainLoop keeps the application window open and responsive to user actions like typing, clicking buttons, and loading files. So we'll run the code. So here is the prompt creator. So under prompt name, we have to give Anthony underscore find, and under prompt template, we should use the word is to input antonym and then we have to save the prompt. Okay, then under the value we can give up, down, or hot or cold, anything. So if we give hot and run, generator output is word hot and then cold. We give it up, it was up. So the word up and then down. So this is how it works. Thank you.